In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the .txt file extension in Windows 11 laptop or PC. So basically, Windows has many file extensions. Those helps Windows to understand which apps to open that file with. So if I go to a folder with many text files, those will be marked as .txt. I cannot see it right now, that's because it's hidden. To view file extension, I have to click on View, then go to Show, and make sure file name extensions is checked, and it will make sure the file names are shown. As you can see, I can see the .txt extension now. And now to remove the .txt extension, what I have to do is just right click on the file and click on rename. After that, I can just go ahead and cross out the .txt and hit enter and click on yes to confirm it. As you can see, Windows doesn't recognize the file anymore. And to open it, I need to right click on it and click on open with. Then I need to manually select Notepad and click on just once. And to set it back to the default, what you have to do is just right click on it and click on rename and rename this back to .txt. And you can open this then. Not only that, if you select the file, you can also rename it to .html. This will confirm and convert the file to a HTML file. You can do it for other formats as well. But that's the basics. And basically, that is how to remove .txt file extension in Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.